How to make $500 a day with ChatGPT. Step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Step 1. Niche research. Want to make $500 a day using just free AI tools like ChatGPT? No tech skills, no coding, no investment. Just pure hustle. In this video, I'll walk you through a real method you can start today, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get into it. First, we'll ask ChatGPT to help us choose a profitable niche. Try this prompt. Give me 10 online business ideas I can start using ChatGPT with zero investment. From there, pick something like writing product descriptions or creating blog posts for businesses. Step 2. Offer a service. Now that you've picked your niche, head to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook groups. Post your service. I write SEO-optimized content using AI tools. Fast, affordable, and effective. You can even show a sample created by ChatGPT. Step 3. Automate the work. Once someone orders, use ChatGPT with prompts like, write a 500-word blog post on 10 ways to lose weight fast. Or write a catchy product description for a handmade candle. Copy, paste, tweak. That's your delivery. Step 4. Scale up. You can offer bulk orders. Partner with small businesses. Create a Google form to collect client details. Set up recurring income by offering content packages. $100 per week, $500 per month. And that's how you can make real money with ChatGPT. Faceless, beginner-friendly, and scalable. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more weekly AI Hustle videos. See you next time at AI Money Lab.